In the previous video, we have covered some basic interview questions on Selenium. So this is completed. And in this video, we will see some basic WebDriver methods. So these are all the basic WebDriver methods that we are going to see in this video. The first one is driver.get. This one we have already seen it in the previous videos. So this get method is used to open any URL. We have seen this in the previous videos. Next one is driver.getTitle. So from the name itself, you can get it. Using this method getTitle, you can get the title of the web page you are on. And the next one is driver.getCurrentUrl. So from the name itself, you can see that we can get the current browser URL. Next one is driver.getPageSource. So you can get the page source using this method. Next one is driver.close. So using this method, you can close the browser that you have opened. So you have to use driver.close method. And driver.quit method is similar to driver.close method. It also closes the browser, but it closes all the browsers opened by Selenium. For example, as part of my script, I have opened a browser here. And while running the script, I have opened some more browsers here. Let's say these are 1, 2 and 3, third browser. Now, let's say if I am on the second browser window and if I use the close method, it closes only this second browser window and it won't close this first browser window or third browser window. It closes only the browser window, the current browser window that we are on. But if you use the quit method, it closes all the browser windows. That means first browser window, second browser window and third browser window. It closes all the browser windows. So this is the difference between close and quit method. Next one is driver.getWindowHandle. So this method, it gets the window handle of the current browser window. Let's say if you opened like multiple browser windows as part of your Selenium scripting, then you can use this method getWindowHandles, which returns all the window handles. So we'll use the same example here. We have opened 3 browser windows here as part of our Selenium script. And we are on the second browser window, let's say. And if you use getWindowHandle method here, it gets the window handle of the second browser window. And if you use getWindowHandles, getWindowHandles method, it gets the window handles of all the 3 browsers, 1 and 2 and 3. GetWindowHandle method returns a string, but getWindowHandles method returns a set of string. If you have gone through my Java basics tutorials, then you should know what this set is. It is an interface that implements to the collections interface. We normally use these 2 methods whenever we work with child windows in Selenium. So we'll see this whenever we come to that concept. And the next one is driver.switchTo. This switch2 is used to switch between different child windows. Let us say we have these 3 child windows, 1, 2 and 3. Let's say I am on the second child window, and if I want to move to this first child window, then first I will get all the window handles, and using the window handle that refers to the first child window, I will use driver.switchTo method. And I will move to first window. Similarly, if I want to move to third window, then again I will use this driver.switchTo method and I will pass this window handle as a parameter to this one and I will move to third method. We will learn about these 3 methods in detail when we come to the child windows concept. So in this video, we will go through these methods, and I will show you an example on this one until driver.quit. I am creating a new class here. So new class, and I am naming this class as basic driver methods, and I am using the main method. So let's run this on the Firefox browser. So from the previous classes that we have created from the Firefox browser.java, I am copying these 3 steps and I am pasting them here. The first one is we are doing system.setProperty, and we are setting WebDriver.gecko.driver to GeckoDriver.exe file, and we have created an object driver object here for Firefox driver class, and we are opening www.google.com. So now we have already seen this get method, so which opens this page. Now let's get the title of the page. So I'll say the title returns a string. So I'll say string title equals to driver.getTitle, and I will print that one. System.out.println page title is plus title. It has to get the title of this google.com page and it has to print it in the console. Let's run this one. Run as Java application. It has opened google.com page, and if you see here, page title is Google. So get title method is used to get the title of the page. So if you see here, this is the title of the page, which is Google. You can also see it if you go to page source and find it, Ctrl F, title. You will see the title tag here. So this is nothing but the page title. The next method we are going to see is getting the current URL. So I'll print that one. System.out.println current URL is plus, I will directly call it here driver.getCurrentUrl. Let's run this one. Run as Java application. Now the google.com page is open, and if you see, the URL is google.com/gws_rd equals to SSL. So this one has to be printed in the console. So if you see, current URL is https google.com:/gws_rd equal to SSL. So it is printing the current URL. So we can use this getCurrentUrl method to get the current URL, current browser URL. Now the next one is getting the page source. So let's print the page source. We can say page source is plus get. We have to use object dot. So driver.getPageSource. Let's run this one and see if this prints the page source. Right click, run as Java application. And it opened the browser, and google.com page is opened. Now if you see, the page source is printed here. The next method we are going to see is close method. So driver.close. So we can directly say driver.close. So it will close the browser. So let's run this one. Right click, run as Java application. See, the browser is opened and it is closed. Sometimes it will be very fast. So let me apply some time delay here. I can do it using thread.sleep method, and I have to provide some time in milliseconds, and it will show some error, which is you have to add throws declaration. So click on this and it will add throws declaration here. So what we are doing here is we have specified a method which is sleep method, and we are asking the Selenium script to wait for 2000 milliseconds. So we specify it here in milliseconds. That means this is 2 seconds. So we are asking the Selenium script to halt for 2 seconds, and then it will close the browser. Let us run this again so that you will see it clearly. So right click, run as Java application. And the browser is opened, and it is waiting for 2 seconds, and now it is closed. So sleep is used for closing the current browser. Now we will see the quit method. So I am just commenting this one and not this one. This is the sleep method. So I'll comment this close method here. So here I will say driver.quit. Now let's run this one. Run as Java application. The browser is opened and google.com page is opened. Now it is waiting for 2 seconds and it is closed. So close and quit methods, they are almost similar, but close only closes the current browser and quit closes all the child windows, and everything that are opened by this script will be closed by this quit method. So these are some of the basic WebDriver methods. In this video we have seen some of the basic WebDriver methods. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subustech and go to Selenium-tutorials, and this particular video starts with number 4. So search with number 4. You might see a lot of results here. So search for number 4. Okay, so this is the one. Selenium-basic WebDriver methods. You can download this document. In the next video, we will see some WebDriver navigate methods.